Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First line, kind. You are very kind. Second line, play. He loves to play basketball. Third line, like. He likes to paint by himself. Fourth line, run. I can run faster than him. Fifth line, watch. I lost my watch yesterday. Sixth line, lazy. You are very lazy. Seventh line, learn. I learn English by myself. Eighth line, take. I will not take it from you. Ninth line, engineer. You are not engineer. Tenth line, come. You will not come with me.